Hi, and welcome to the next lesson for beginners Japanese. Lesson 3, Introductions. Now let's review some stuff that we learned in the last 2 lessons. Match the left column with the right column. My name is. Watashi no namae wa. I'm from. Watashi wa karikimashita. What's your name? Oname wa. Question marker. Ka. Topic marker. Wa. Okay, so if you got 5 out of 5, then cool, good for you. If you got 4 out of 5, then maybe you have a little bit more to review, but you can continue on. If you got 3 out of 5 or lower, then you should probably go back. Okay. Now let's continue. We're going to learn a dialogue between 2 people, which is what dialogue, okay. One is called Yoshi and one is Waldo. I mean, Walter, I think, yeah. Okay, let's begin. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. Oh yeah, and repeat after me. Yoshi desu. Onamae wa Walter desu. Douzo yoroshiku. Yoroshiku. Doko kara kimashita ka? Igirisu kara kimashita. America kara kimashita. Nansai desu ka? 19歳です。あなたは15歳です。Okay, now let's look at the translation and we'll go back. Hello. Hello. I'm Yoshi. What's your name? I'm Walter. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from England. I'm from America. How old are you? I'm 19 years old, and you? I'm 15 years old. So, let's talk about hajimemashite. Hajimemashite literally means for the first time, but in this case, it means hello. So it's like saying hello for the first time. And that's the only time you'll ever say it, is when you're meeting someone for the first time. And if you don't say it, then you're probably going to be considered rude from that person. So there's that, and then you just introduce yourself, Yoshi desu, Walter desu, and then you say Douzo yoroshiku, or yoroshiku. It means please be kind to me, which isn't really, it sounds weird if you say it in English, so you just say it, people just say that it's the equivalent to nice to meet you. And then they ask, where are you from? I'm from England, and I'm from America. Igirisu is England, America is America. And then, yeah, I don't know why they're speaking Japanese, but oh well. And then there's age. Nansai desu ka? Nansai desu ka? How old are you? Sai is years old. Nan is what? It's the shorter version of nani, remember? But when it's before, okay. 19歳です. I'm 19. 19 is 19. Ju is 10, Q is 9. Sai is years old. Ju Q Sai, 19 years old. Jugo Sai, that's 15. Jugo Sai desu. Anata wa is and you. I don't remember if I went over that yet, but anata wa is and you. New vocabulary. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. Douzo yoroshiku. Yoroshiku. When you're talking to people who are like higher up in class or whatever than you, like your bosses or your elders or just people that you're supposed to respect, you should say douzo yoroshiku. Or you can even say douzo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Onegaishimasu. But douzo yoroshiku is fine. If you're talking to people that are younger than you or like the same age as you, or people that you don't have to respect necessarily, you could just say yoroshiku. Igirisu. Igirisu. England. Site. Site. Years old. Now let's learn some numbers. To tell someone your age, you'll need to know the numbers. So here you go. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4, 5, 6, 7, or 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then after 10 it just continues 13, 14, and then 20. 20. To make 21 you'd say 21, 21, which is 21. 2, 10, 1. Pretty easy, right? And then 100, which is 100. Let's try to say it faster. Say it along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 100. Okay. Did you say it along with me? Probably not. With nana and yon, you'd say nana and yon after 10. So 14 would be 14, and 17 would be 17, and 40 would be 40, and 70 would be 70. So 74 would be 74. Yeah. Just try to practice the numbers before you move on to the next lesson. They're really easy to remember. Japanese verbs. In Japanese, there are many different ways to conjugate a verb, but once you get the pattern, it will become very easy. There are 3 types of verbs, which we'll learn about in the next lesson. Ichidan, godan, and irregular verbs. Actually, irregular verbs are in the lesson after that. Whatever. Thanks for watching. Click the link there on the side to go to the last lesson, or the other side for the next lesson. See you next time.